Strengthening the teaching of maths in early years and Key Stage 1 has become a real national priority. And to help you think about how to review and refresh and develop your curriculum, particularly thinking about the link between teaching in reception and moving into year 1, we're giving you the opportunity to join an online learning programme, a programme of linked webinars to support your team in looking at early maths, learning walks around our Key Stage 1 and early years environments, and practical tips videos to help you think about group teaching and the kind of resources that you might use to help children embed their learning. It's a fantastic opportunity, a new way of working that we hope you will find really useful and something that you can share together. So once you've booked the programme and joined the programme, then you get the opportunity to use those materials across your whole team and use them over a course of 3 months so that you can take part in the training, review the learning walks together, look at the practical tips videos, complete some of the suggested gap task activities, and really upskill your team.